Peter, thank you very much. And as we head to close the session, I would really like to thank everyone that's contributed to this session, and also for the steadfast support that has been put on display, but the determination to work in partnership with the Somalian government going forward. Now, to close this session, could I invite the Foreign Minister, please, to address and to close this session? Thank you, Your Excellency.
Thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, today marks a significant milestone for Somalia with the agreement of a new partnership, a clear sign of our renewed mutual commitment and further strengthening the relationship between Somalia and its international partners. Somalia needs bold and courageous steps from its international partners. We need our partners to invest more directly in our priorities, as this will strengthen government institutions and is critical for sustainability. The current system is not sustainable, nor does it build the capacity and legitimacy of government institutions. Our government institutions are more mature, with significant effort made in building a more robust system. We stand committed to making further progress on public financial management reforms, increasing transparency and tackling corruption. Ladies and gentlemen, all successful partnerships are based on mutual accountability. We want to make it clear that our commitments under this agreement go beyond public finances. We commit ourselves to bring together the delivery of key strands discussed earlier, including the security pact, political roadmap, and economic recovery priorities. We are committed to implementing the security sector architecture that will lead our shared comprehensive approach to security. We recognize that adherence to the rule of law is indispensable to building a stable state, and we need to protect our citizens and resolve conflicts. We will uphold the human rights standards for all Somali citizens, including rights of women, youth, and minority groups. We commit to the sound management of resources, which will enable our ability to deliver services, attract investment, and help advance Somalia. We commit to all of this not only because it's held within this partnership agreement, but because we owe it to our Somali people. First and foremost, our responsibility and accountability is towards our people. To conclude, I would like to thank all our partners for your commitment and support in helping Somalia reach this significant milestone. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you very much, Foreign Minister. Thank you so much for your contribution. Ladies and gentlemen, we come now to the closing session. Well done, everybody. We are now in the final session of this conference, and I must say, from speaking just strictly from a United Kingdom point of view, I do think it has been a really successful and fantastic to hear so many good and powerful contributions. I particularly want to thank, of course, President Farmajo and Secretary General Guterres for the momentum they brought to our meetings today, and we all hope that this third London conference will represent a new beginning for Somalia. Our shared aim is for the international community to stand with the new federal government and parliament as they strive to achieve their vision of a peaceful and prosperous Somalia. And I just want to sum up what we've achieved today, the agreements that I think will help to shape a better Somalia. There can be no progress in any field, least of all economic growth, without peace. So our new security pact represents to the people of Somalia the agreement between the federal government and the regional administrations on a federated national security model will provide the basis for strengthening Somalia's own forces and in time allow them to assume responsibility for security from the brave soldiers of AMISOM. in return for these, and here they come.